As we age, our skin loses moisture and elasticity, making it prone to wrinkles. Dermatologists include prescription creams, chemical peels, and Botox. But perhaps the best option is to protect your skin just as it is. So in this video, we are going to show you how to prevent wrinkles. Let's start quickly. Number 1. Preventing wrinkles daily. Use a creamy, oil-free face wash to hydrate skin and whisk away impurities. Skin is much more flexible when it is moisturized, allowing it to move and slide freely across your face without damage. This sort of damage will compound itself over your lifetime, leading to wrinkles if you don't take proper care of your skin now. Use lukewarm water, not cold or hot, to protect your skin. Lightly massage the face wash into your skin using gentle circular motions. Use your fingers to work the wash into your face. Get around the eyes and forehead as well, using the tips of your fingers to work up a nice gentle lather. Using a warm wet towel, pat your face dry. Don't rub or scrub with a towel, as this will irritate your skin and lead to redness. Your wash has removed a lot of the dead skin, oil and dirt, so scrubbing now is just hurting the new, younger skin underneath. Apply an anti-wrinkle cream around wrinkle-prone areas. Most of these are very concentrated, so you only need a pea-size amount. Focus on your outer eyes, forehead, chin and around your mouth. Pat the cream onto your face instead of rubbing it on. If you have some extra cream, don't forget about your neck. This is one of the wrinkle spots many people forget. Pat in some eye concentrate to prevent wrinkles in the most common areas. Crow's feet, the wrinkles right around the eyes, are the most common and quickest wrinkles you will develop. Using some eye concentrate around the eyes targets these wrinkles specifically. Make sure you get a cream that is paraben free, as these chemicals may hurt your skin over time. Apply an anti-wrinkly moisturizing body lotion to your body, especially your upper chest and neckline. Your body skin needs protection too, and many of the same principles used to prevent wrinkles on your face can be applied to your body too. A daily full body moisturizing focusing on frequently exposed areas like arms, legs and upper chest will help the fight body wrinkles. Look for moisturizing creams that aren't oil based, which can leave you feeling greasy again. Search for the natural, paraben free products for the best results. Number 2. Protecting yourself against wrinkles. Protect your skin from the sun. As you get older, the genes that control inflammation, the production and strength of the collagen, and your skin's ability to retain the water begin to encourage the formation of wrinkles. A study found that aged skin that hadn't been exposed to the sun had about 3,800 genetic mutations, while skin that had been exposed to the sun had around 10,000 mutations in the same genes. If the risk of skin cancer isn't enough to get you to wear sunblock and wide-brimmed hats, let vanity pursue you. The sun provides vital vitamin D, so make sure you are taking a supplement if you are worried about vitamin D levels. This is a much safer way to get the vitamin than sunbathing. Take antioxidants. When UV rays are absorbed by your skin, they create the free radicals, which are volatile molecules. Those free radicals can latch onto your DNA and cause the mutations that cause wrinkles. Antioxidants help your body defend against the free radicals, combat wrinkles by eating food and drinking beverages that contain antioxidants such as blueberries and green tea, and use creams or moisturizers that contain them. Massage your face with omega-3. Oils containing long-chain polyunsaturated omega-3 fatty acids, your basic omega-3s, work wonders in promoting intracellular repair. Examples of omega-3 oils are almond oil, egg oil, and milk cream. Fish oils also contain omega-3 and can often be taken as gel pills. Salmon and other cold water fish are excellent sources of omega-3s. Splash cold water on your face. Splashing cold water on your face first thing in the morning stimulates microcirculation and regenerates dermal membrane. Preferably, fill your mouth with water while you splash so as to stretch the facial skin. Hit your skin with a cool or cold water for 15 seconds after showering. This will close up the pores and help your skin dry naturally. Big warm pores allow oils out. Wear sunglasses with UV protection regularly. Wearing sunglasses protect the delicate skin around your eyes from the sun, but it will also help prevent squinting, which directly contributes to wrinkling. Sleep on your back to prevent sleep lines. These may eventually turn into wrinkles. Moreover, sleeping on your back or left side is better for your spinal health as well. Stop smoking. Heavy smokers are almost 5 times more likely to show excessive wrinkles than the non-smokers. Smoking can damage collagen, and the squinting and lip pursing that comes with the smoking directly create wrinkles over time. Control your facial expressions. More animated expressions mean more creases, and creases eventually become wrinkles. It might be difficult, but try to do away with frowning, eyebrows raising, and squinting. Don't stop smiling or laughing. However, a genuine smile causes crow's feet around your eyes. But the power of the sincere joy against wrinkles may be stronger than the effects of not smiling at all. Be happy. In a study of female identical twins, researchers found that divorced women looked older than their married or twin widows, and women on antidepressants looked older than their twins who weren't. It's unclear whether the antidepressants or the depression itself causes increased aging, but these findings imply that being in a happy relationship or having an optimistic, laid-back approach to life might prevent wrinkles. At the very least, being happy will help you not care so much about the wrinkles. Don't blame it on your genes. It's true that some people age more gracefully than others, and while scientists are beginning to gain a deeper understanding of how genetics can influence the aging process, they are also discovering how much your lifestyle choices can affect your genes. Your genes only govern 30% of how you age. The other 70% is up to you. No one can completely prevent wrinkles. They are a natural part of the aging, but you can help control how severe they are. See a doctor when over-the-counter products fail to work and you are bothered by your indomitable wrinkles. Prescription retinoic acid can minimize the appearance of wrinkles. Wrinkles arising solely from excessive muscular contractions, such as forehead horizontal lines or crow's feet, should be injected with botulinum toxin. Deep wrinkles may need filler injections. This was all for now. For more videos and updates, subscribe to Healthy Primix and ring the bell icon. Thanks for watching.